This is a demonstration to show that how to use the handheld digital microscope. It is also termed as Proscope. We will get a stand with it. We can keep the Proscope inside the stand, or it can be attached to the stand, and then we can see the different object. We can see the crystals, we can see the thread, or we can see any fabric and even the leaves or any transverse section through it, and it will be shown to the computer. What we need to do is we will attach the Proscope with the computer, and then finally what we need to do is we simply see that there is the knob which will be for the light adjustment. So by adjusting the light, you will get that this is the light sensor and it will get illuminated. Now what we need to do is we will remove the cap over it to get a clear image. This cap need to be fixed when you are not taking any picture, so it will remain moisture proof as well as dust free. Now what we need to do is we need to run an application for it. I have already installed the given app in the form of a CD, and the name of the app is AMCAP v3.0.9. It is with the Proscope itself, and now I will run it. We'll enlarge it, and then finally first we'll focus it on the leaf. Here you are able to see that there is a wheel like structure which is termed as the zoom wheel. So please focus on the Proscope. Here it is the knob or the adjuster for the zooming, and this is termed as the zoom wheel. And as you are able to see on the screen, we can get the clear structure of the leaf. We are able to see the chlorophyll filled cells as well as the veins and veinlet. The same picture we can obtain on the screen also through a monitor. So the same thing can be shown with the help of the monitor in a class with a crowd or with the number of students of around 50 or more. So that will be very convenient to a teacher to teach any topic in the class which needs a certain detailing. Let me show you the fibers in my dupatta. I will put the same Proscope on the cloth piece, and then we are able to see on the screen the fine threads in the dupatta, and the same picture I can obtain on the screen of the monitor as well as on the projector. Now again I will show you a slide which will be a little bit more clear by focusing on the slide, and we can use the zoom wheel to focus the slide. So that is an image which can be seen through the Proscope. It is visible on the monitor of the computer as well as on the screen of the projector. So you are able to see that we can easily carry the Proscope in a classroom, but it must be facilitated with the computer. So it is also included in the computer aided teaching. All about the Proscope. And here I would like to share one more thing, as this is the zoom wheel, this is the light adjuster, and finally there is a small button like structure that we need to click on, and it will take the snap of the image. As you are able to see on the monitor, this is the image which we have got when we have clicked the icon. So it can be saved for the later use. Let me show it to you. So this is the image. By scrolling we can get a complete image. So these can be kept for later use or for later reference, and it can be easily saved in the computer desktop or any folder that you would like to. So thank you so much, and that is very handy to use.